Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through exactly how to withdraw from your Gemini account. So as you can see, we've got some cryptocurrency in our Gemini account. We want to take that and bring it back into cash in our bank account. How exactly do you do that? Well, in this video, I'll be walking you step by step. Now, before we get started, I do want to mention just a little bit on safety. So when it comes to making any kind of financial transaction, there is a little bit of risk involved that something goes wrong. Personally, I like to mitigate that risk by using a VPN. I personally use ExpressVPN, and I've got a link in the description below that'll score you up to 49% off or a free 3 months, depending on which you prefer. So I just personally recommend setting that up and having that connected at all times. So once you've got that all set up, now let's dive into how to actually withdraw from the platform. So diving into my portfolio here, we can see that I have a couple of different cryptocurrencies that I could choose to withdraw. I've got some Bitcoin, some Ether, and some Dogecoin. I'm just going to choose to withdraw a little bit of this Bitcoin since I have a few $100s of it. Let's say I want to move some to my bank account. Well, the first thing I'm going to have to do is sell off some of this Bitcoin. So we'll go to actions, we'll go to sell. Here, let's just say we want to sell 0.001 Bitcoin. As you can see, that's about $41.30. So we'll just press review. You can see there's going to be a small transaction fee for selling here, and the total that I will receive is about $39 US. I'll just press confirm. The sell order is complete. We can go to our portfolio here to just view and make sure. Okay, boom, we have some US dollars here, $39.09, and our Bitcoin balance has been reduced. So now what we can do is we can take this US dollar, we can go to transfer, withdraw from Gemini. Here it will say currency, US dollar. And unfortunately, at the moment, we can't actually withdraw our US dollars because in making some previous videos, I deposited some money into my account that has not yet cleared. So if you recently just deposited cash into your Gemini account, you might have to wait for that cash to clear for you to actually be able to withdraw some other cash. So just keep that in mind. If you're moving cash in and moving cash out, you might run into a little bit of an issue there. But had I not just deposited $200 and invested it, then I would be able to withdraw that $39.09 directly into my linked bank account with no issues whatsoever. Now, if instead you're looking to transfer your cryptocurrency off of Gemini to a different crypto wallet, we've got another video on that, which you can find on screen right now. So check out that video and I'll see you over there.